Hi, I am Roxana from VP Estate, and in this video I will show how to use the iCalendar import and export feature in the WPRentals theme. This feature helps synchronize listing availability between your WPRentals website and external platforms like Airbnb, Booking.com, Google Calendar, or any other platform that supports ICAL feeds. The goal is simple. If a property is booked on another platform, those dates can become unavailable on your WPRentals website. This reduces the risk of double booking. Before we begin, it is important to understand that iCalendar is used for availability synchronization only. It does not import full booking details, it does not import payments, guest messages, and it does not replace a full API connection or channel manager. iCalendar only helps platforms change calendar availability. In WPRentals, iCalendar feeds are managed per listing. This means that each property has its own ICAL import and export settings. To manage iCalendar, log in to the front-end user dashboard, go to My Listings, edit the listing, and the options for iCalendar can be found under the Calendar section here. Even if you are the site admin, the iCalendar feeds should be managed from the front-end dashboard inside the Listing Calendar section. Before using iCalendar import or export, check these requirements. First, your website must have SSL configured correctly. So make sure that you have an SSL certificate installed in your site, and also in admin settings general, make sure that the WordPress address and site address both have HTTPS as well. Second, the listings must be published. The ICAL synchronization does not work for listings saved as draft or pending. Third, the website should not be blocked by maintenance mode. If you have a maintenance mode activated for your site, when you test ICAL synchronization, you need to deactivate it. And fourth, the ICAL feed page must exist and be published. The page is required for WPRentals export feed to work. In most cases, the iCalendar feed page is imported automatically when you import a WPRentals demo, but if the page is missing, you can create it manually. If the page exists in your site, look for ICAL feed page. This is the demo page. If you do not have it, you will need to create a new page that will have the ICAL feed template assigned. This page is not a normal page created for visitors. It is used by external calendar system to read the iCalendar feed. So if you open the page directly in the browser and see an error message, that can be expected. This page is meant to generate feed data, not regular website content. Now let's look at how to export WPRentals availability to another platform. Use the export feed when you want another platform to read the booked dates from your WPRentals listing. To export a calendar from WPRentals, edit the property, go to Calendar section, copy the iCalendar feed, then paste that URL into the external platform in the area where that platform allows you to import another calendar. I will show an example with Google Calendar, but the process is the same for any booking platform that supports ICAL feeds. I will add the iCalendar, click Add Calendar. Once you have the success message, you need to check the booked dates. Only the future dates will be imported. The dates that are booked in June are also blocked in the Google Calendar. The WPRentals iCalendar export link returns data in ICS format. This format is meant to be read by calendar systems. If you paste the iCal link in your browser and try to open it, it will save as calendar ICS file in your device. Now let's look at the other direction. Use the import option when you want WPRentals to read unavailable dates from another platform. For example, in my Google Calendar, I have dates booked in July. If I want the same dates to be blocked in WPRentals site as well, I will need to take the Google Calendar ICAL feed and paste it in the site. You can also import Airbnb, Vrbo or other platforms ICAL feeds into WPRental list. To import an external feed into WPRentals, first copy the ICAL export URL from the external platform. In my case, I will copy the Google Calendar ICAL feed. I will go back to WPRentals in user dashboard, my listing calendar section, and here I will add the feed name, and for feed URL I will pass the Google Calendar ICAL feed. Click add new feed and save changes. The first synchronization is made when you save the listing. I will refresh the page and go to July, and here you will see the date blocked with Google Calendar name. After that, the WordPress cron job will check the feed periodically and sync new dates. After the feed is imported, the unavailable dates from the external platform will appear in the listing calendar in the listing page and will also show in the all-in-one calendar page. In the all-in-one calendar page, the internal bookings made from your site will have a different color than the ones imported with ICAL feed. This helps owners understand which dates come from website bookings and which dates come from external platforms. You have the colors legend here. These are bookings made in the WPRental site, and these are bookings imported with the ICAL feed. You have the option to add more than one ICAL feed for the same listing. This is useful when the same property is listed on multiple platforms. For example, you can import feeds from Airbnb, Booking.com or any other platform that provides an ICAL export URL. To add multiple feeds, repeat the same process for each platform. After an ICAL feed is imported and saved, WPRentals uses WordPress cron to check the feed periodically. By default, the ICAL sync runs every 3 hours. If you want to manually trigger synchronization for a listing, just open the listing calendar and click Save Again. For advanced users or developers, the recurrence time can be changed with a third-party cron control plugin. ICAL can also work with hourly bookings if the external platform provides an hourly ICAL feed. Google Calendar provides such ICAL, so I will block a few hours and I will go back to WPRentals and open a listing that has hourly booking. The section is found under calendar as well. The process is the same. You just need to copy the ICAL feed and paste it in the listing. Press add new feed and save. Now on front end, the hourly calendar will be blocked for the hours that I selected in Google Calendar. When hourly booking is enabled, the calendar will not be displayed in the submission form the way it does for the daily booking. So the best way to check booked dates is to actually access the listing page calendar. If you need to delete ICAL feeds from your property, the action is done in the calendar section in user dashboard, my listing, edit the listing, and you will need to click delete imported date and save changes, and the calendar will clear the external bookings. And that's how iCalendar import and export works in WPRentals. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.